Imagine a world where access to basic necessities like food, clean water and shelter is a luxury, not a right. This is the harsh reality for millions trapped in the cycle of poverty. Poverty is not just a statistic, it's a complex issue that affects individuals, families and entire nations. The gap between the rich and the poor continues to widen, painting a stark picture of global inequality. While some enjoy a life of abundance, others struggle to survive on less than $1 a day. Poverty eradication is not just a moral imperative, it's crucial for building a more just and equitable world for everyone. Defining poverty is more than just stating an income level. It's about understanding the deprivation and lack of opportunity that defines the lives of millions. The World Bank defines extreme poverty as living on less than $1.90 a day, a stark measurement that highlights the severity of the issue. However, poverty goes beyond a lack of income. It's about being deprived of basic needs like healthcare, education, and sanitation. It's about the lack of access to opportunities that prevent individuals from reaching their full potential. Understanding the multidimensional nature of poverty is crucial for developing effective and sustainable solutions to combat it. India, despite its economic progress, continues to grapple with the challenges of poverty. While the country has made significant strides in reducing poverty over the years, a considerable population still lives below the poverty line. Rural India, largely dependent on agriculture, faces unique challenges like climate change and lack of infrastructure, making it particularly vulnerable to poverty. Vulnerable groups such as scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, women and children are disproportionately affected by poverty in India. These groups often face social discrimination and lack of access to education and employment opportunities, perpetuating the cycle of poverty across generations. Section 4. The Roots of Poverty, a Complex Web. Understanding the causes of poverty is paramount to developing effective solutions. Historically, colonization played a significant role in shaping poverty in many nations, including India. The exploitation of resources and the suppression of local industries during colonial rule created economic disparities that continue to impact these countries today. Economic factors such as unemployment, low wages, and lack of access to productive assets contribute significantly to poverty. Social factors like lack of education, healthcare, and sanitation further exacerbate the cycle of poverty. Section 5. Combating Poverty in India, a Multi-Pronged Approach. India has implemented a multi-pronged approach to combat poverty, recognizing that addressing this complex issue requires a multifaceted strategy. Growth-oriented approaches focus on stimulating economic growth and creating employment opportunities. By investing in infrastructure, promoting industrialization, and fostering a conducive environment for businesses to thrive, India aims to create a virtuous cycle of growth and poverty reduction. Targeted programs such as the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act and the Public Distribution System play a crucial role in providing a safety net for the most vulnerable sections of society. The PDS provides subsidized food grains to millions of families living below the poverty line, ensuring food security and reducing hunger. Section 6. A Global Challenge, Joining Hands to End Poverty. Poverty is not just a national issue. It's a global challenge that requires collective action and international cooperation. Organizations like the United Nations and the World Bank play a crucial role in coordinating global efforts to eradicate poverty and promote sustainable development. The UN's Sustainable Development Goals, adopted in 2015, provide a roadmap for a more equitable and sustainable future, with a specific goal dedicated to ending poverty in all its forms by 2030. International cooperation is essential for sharing knowledge, resources, and best practices to combat poverty effectively. Developed countries have a crucial role in supporting developing nations through financial aid, technology transfer, and capacity-building initiatives. The COVID-19 pandemic has further exacerbated the situation, pushing millions into poverty and highlighting the need for more resilient and inclusive development models. Section 7. The Road Ahead, Towards a More Equitable World. The road to ending poverty is long and winding, requiring sustained effort, innovative solutions, and a shared commitment to creating a more equitable world. Inclusive growth, which benefits all sections of society, is crucial for sustainable poverty reduction. This involves creating employment opportunities, investing in education and skills development, and promoting entrepreneurship. By empowering individuals with the tools and resources to improve their lives, we can break the cycle of poverty and build a more prosperous future. Education is a powerful tool for poverty reduction, empowering individuals with knowledge, skills, and opportunities.